Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So what you have to do is to find the slot which is located here. You have to open the safety for this slot, and here you can see the hole next to the slot. What you have to do is to put this tool inside this hole. The slot will come out, then you can eject it with your hands. And here you have to put your SIM card, and right next to it your SD card. And then put it back into device, just like this. And that's how you put it. And as you can see, it immediately requires a PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter my PIN code, tap OK, and as you can see, there's also a notification: unsupported SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.